Yeah, Christian.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna show you the problem we had with the stand for our Jetsurf.
Yeah.
It's a GP 100. We bought it from Ocean Rabbit.
Yeah.
You can check them out. They're really cool guys there. So these are the original tubes
here.
for the stand for the Jetsurf.
Yeah, here. That here is the problem, huh?
So that was in here.
Yeah.
And as soon as you put the Jetsurf on there for like half an hour or something, it started crushing in here, and I think it's aluminum, and it just started bending in, and I was afraid that it's gonna break and my Jetsurf is gonna fall down to the floor.
Yeah.
So the first idea I had was get another aluminum tube.
Yeah, they have the same problem here.
Which was thicker. It was thicker here.
Yeah.
But it still had the same problem.
Yeah, here.
Maybe you can see it.
Wait, Christian, I make zoom. Yeah, here, little bit.
It just started bending in right here.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
And then the solution I had was I got way stronger material for it.
Yeah. Take this one. Wait, Christian. Opa. So
this is steel, like a special steel. It's really heavy. My board was standing on there for about 3 months, and as you can see there, it's not bent in at all.
yeah, that is okay.
It's really heavy. It won't start like corroding.
Yeah.
And I would recommend it. You can put a lot of weight on it. So we tested it out, and it works. We never had a problem with it. It's heavier than the original one, but it's much better quality, and you don't have to be afraid that it breaks and your board will fall down to the floor, which I don't think anybody wants.
Fantastic.
Yeah, thank you for watching, and maybe subscribe or like if you want. We're definitely gonna do more videos because we're gonna go to Italy for about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see what comes there, maybe some problems, but I think a lot of fun. And go check out.
I make funny video, Christian.
Yeah. Go check out Ocean Rabbit, and yeah, thank you for watching.
Bye bye.